Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video session, I will introduce on aPriori costing tool. So it's basic introduction about how aPriori costing tool works. So let's start. So as you can see on the screen, I'll be covering following contents. Okay, so basically, I will divide this the introduction in uh, 3 to 4 video sessions. Okay, so today I will cover about introduction and how a priori works and a priori costing modes. Then in the next section, I will talk about aPriori desktop basics, saving multiple scenarios, and so on. So for today's session, I will cover on these 3 points. So let's start. So basic introduction. So on the screen you see the basic user interface, like how a priori tool looks like. And the next slides I'll show you how it works in detail. So aPriori is a real-time accurate cost to management solution that allows design design engineers, manufacturing engineers, purchasing and sourcing professionals, and management estimate and control product costs throughout the product's entire life cycle. aPriori provides real-time visibility to product cost that helps you get from concept to customer faster with a better product. So whenever there is a new design, or if there is any modification in the design, usually in today's world we use many CAD tools like CATIA, Creo, SolidWorks, and so on. So we try a different design. We model it into the CAD tools. So while designing or modification into the design, so we the designers has to take care about its cost impact. Okay, so this tool will help. All that this tool needs is a CAD file. The format, all the formats are supported in this tool, whether it may be from SolidWorks or whether it may be from Creo or CATIA. All formats, it can like this tool will work. So all that it needs is a CAD file, whether it may be a part or whether it may be an assembly. So depending on the given inputs and with the CAD file, this tool will generate the cost models, which in turn the designers and the manufacturing engineers and supply chain engineers. So it will help them to take decisions and to find alternatives. So we'll be talking in more detail in the next slides. So now we will see how aPriori works. So here I will explain the basic architecture. Um, so from assessing, the first thing is the aPriori will assess the geometric cost drivers or the geometric features, and finally it will produce a cost model. So in between, after assessing the cost geometric cost drivers, we say GCDs, it will process through the various routings and the physical based mechanistic models which are already present into the aPriori model. So using that, it will generate the cost models. So what are the inputs? There are three basic inputs. The first is the CAD model. So from CAD model, there it will take a design geometry, complexity, If there is a material properties defined, it will take size, weight, tolerance. If it is defined, then this also will be considered surface finish. And then second input is from user, like what material to be assigned, or whether it is steel, aluminum, or what grade steel it is, like. And then process group, like what process we need to select, like whether it is from sheet metal, or whether we have to select any casting process, or it's a machining process. So we need to select the process group. Then what is the volume and other facilities or any other inputs which will be on the cost model guide. And the third is the factory data, or VPEs. VPEs is a virtual production environment. So here all the information about the factory, like machines, and then its machine size limits, speeds, feeds, and cost accounting data like material cost, labor rates, direct period overhead rates. So this is present in the factory VP data. So all this data, using this data, um, a priori will generate the cost. So basically it will come with like a priori baseline VPs, means from a priori tool itself. A priori will provide a basic VPs which is common, or we can say a general, based on the, like it may not be accurate according to the region wise, like for India zone, or for China, or for Europe, or for America. So there could be a different material rates, or there could be different labor rates, machining rates. So based on that, a basic general a priori provides a baseline VPs. And company VPs, this can be like a customized VP based upon the company's in-house manufacturing process. So the VPs can be customized, the data, VP data. So what machines are available, what is the machine material rates, labor rates, kind of thing. This can be updated, and these VPs can be used to generate the costs. And then supplier VPs based on supplier, like supplier in-house capabilities. This can be a customized VP can be built using this. So using this VP, okay, so for the given CAD file, this tool will provide us the final costing. So a priori costing modes. So basically, we have CAD tool integration mode. So in CAD tool integration mode, a priori is directly integrated to CAD tools. Say for example, Creo. When you open a Creo, a CAD file in the Creo, so it will work simultaneously. Like that part will also get open into the a priori tool. So any changes that you do into the CAD file Creo, that will be automatically reflected into the a priori. And like we say, simultaneous working onto the CAD tool, like any modification can be it's visible into the a priori tool. So another is CAD tool independent mode or standalone mode. So even if there is no CAD tool, and if you want to work independently on or standalone mode, so in this case we need to uh, no, we need to have a saved file of CAD file, and we need to open that file into the a priori. So this is a standalone mode. And costing without a CAD model. um, so if there is no CAD model, and if we have some basic geometric information about this length, width, and other, like how many holes are present, how many, what is the diameter, this kind of information is available, then we can give that inputs to the a priori, and we can generate a rough costing out of that as well. So in this part, I have covered how aPriori works and its costing mode. So in the next section, I will talk about aPriori desktop basics and saving multiple scenarios. So see you in the next video. And the other parts, I'll give the links into the description below. So please go through those parts as well. So meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.